Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to repair corrupted zip file. So just in few seconds you can repair any corrupted any corrupt zip file. So you have to download this free software from Wondershare. Open this URL repairit.wondershare.com zip repair. So download and install and follow 3 steps. Add your zip file, repair it and save it. So this is the basic video guys to repair any zip file using this software. Thanks for watching and please comment this software is useful for you or not.